A cleanroom coverall is a specialized garment designed to be worn in cleanroom environments. Cleanrooms are controlled environments used in various industries, such as electronics manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and scientific research. A cleanroom coverall with a hood and boots typically features the following characteristics: full coverage. The coverall provides full body coverage, including the arms, legs, torso, and head, to prevent shedding of particles and contaminants from the body. Hood. The attached hood covers the head and hair, preventing particles from being released from the scalp and hair. Boots. Integrated boots cover the feet, ensuring that contaminants from footwear are not introduced into the cleanroom. A cleanroom blue vinyl coat apron is likely a type of protective garment designed for use in cleanroom environments. The use of a vinyl suggests that the apron is made from a type of synthetic polymer material known as vinyl. Vinyl is often used in cleanroom environments due to its low particle shedding characteristics. It's durable and easy to clean, making it suitable for protecting against particulate contamination.